Okay, everybody, I'm back. Now that we've had a chance to celebrate, it's time for us to get down to work. Now, let's take a step back for a minute. Before we left school, we had covered equivalent fractions, and a lot of people had challenges with that. So I want to start there. I know some of you guys say, you know what, Miss Kondo, I got it. No problem. But, take a minute and just hang out with us for a little while anyway. And then you can do the assignment at your leisure. So equivalent fractions can be solved. To find an equivalent fraction, you can do it in a number of ways. But in the book, for your homework, it's asking you to find equivalent fractions using an area model. Does everybody remember what an area model is? Okay, well, let's go over it real quick. So I'm going to write area model right here. And remember, an area model is like you're a bird and you're flying over top. Oh, you can't see that. Let me adjust this a little bit. Can you see that now? And then I'll just try to stay in the picture. So you're a bird and you're flying over top, and you can see something from down below. You're looking at it from above. So let's say you're a bird in your mother's kitchen, and you came home from school and you did a great job. So she made you a pizza. Boo boo. Nice pizza. Didn't I do that circle really good? She says, man, I know you're hungry. So you can eat this whole half of pizza all by yourself. So you got one half, and then you have another half. This half is yours. Should I draw the teeth and they're getting ready to get down, get down, get down, get down. That's terrible looking mouth right there. No, that's a bad mouth. Okay, so anyway, y'all know how Miss Kondo is. I take a moment to have a little fun. So here we have this half of pizza. I know you guys like cheese pizza. So that's your half. And I'm going to go ahead and write 1/2 right here. That's 1/2. So we're going to look at an equivalent fraction for 1/2. So let's go ahead and draw the same pizza. But your mom decided that you should take your time and chew. And you're still going to get 1/2 though. So let's go ahead and color in our 1/2. But instead of eating it in one big chunk like that, you're going to eat it in 4 pieces. So this is still the same amount as this, but now we have 1/4. It's in 4 pieces, right? 1/4, 1/4, 1/4. So you got this fourth and this fourth you're not going to eat. So that's 2/4. And you have 2/4 that you are going to eat. So I'm going to go ahead and put 2/4 next to this pizza. Okay? So then a third day, you were excited, but not too excited, but she did pizza for you again. We cut it in half. We color it in. You still get to eat a whole half when you get home from school. That's a lot of pizza. But she really said, I think you should take your time even more and eat it in smaller pieces. So we cut it into the 4ths, and then we cut it up again. And we cut it again. So now we have 1/8. These are 8 pieces. 1/8. 1/8. 1/8. 1/8. 1/8. 1/8. 1/8. And remember, this is the kind of lesson that would go in your journals. So if you want to start a journal at home, do that. Okay, so we still have the half here, the half here. This is the same amount, same amount, same amount, same amount. But in this case, we have it cut up into smaller pieces. We have it in eighths. So how many eighths do we have? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many eighths is it? It's 4 eighths. So we're looking for the equivalent fraction of 1/2, right? There's our 1/2. So we know that 2/4 is equivalent to 1/2. But wow, also 4/8 is equivalent to 1/2. So if we were in class, I would say, what do you see in that pattern? Is there a pattern you see? Something that happens that helps you to see what's going on there? Let's put our light bulb, put our thinking cap on, and you guys see if you see anything interesting about these numbers. Y'all so smart. I know y'all got it. Okay, so here, if we take this 1 and we multiply it by 2, there we got the 2. We take this 2, we multiply it by 2, and we have 4. Let's go to the denominator. That was the numerator. We have 2, we multiply it by 2, we get 4. We take this 4, we multiply it by 2, and we get 8. So we can see a pattern in those fractions, and we can also see in the area models that all of these fractions are equivalent to each other. Now, that makes it easy to see it in this form. So what I would like to do now, I would like to take a couple of the problems that you have for homework, and I want to do them for you using the area model and helping you to just glide right through this, because we got more to do. We got stuff to do. Okay? So hold on. I'll be right back.